Please. I love you. I love you. From inside me and inside my heart. Biko, please, love me back. Any word where I tell you, I mean them. When I come back, I love you. Biko, give me a small chance. Make a proof say I be man. Where you there? Even we go back, we say no, you ain't get it. Please.
See how she dey cry because
No, please. Mama, stop dragging my box. Mama, just leave my box. I beg. Uju, you want me to die? Mama, I don't want you to die. Uju, if you go, I will die. Mama, I don't Would you like it? Mama, I'm tired though. I'm tired. My money runs in this house. I know. Since I've started my shop, all the money I've been selling is in this house. I'll cook, I'll feed the children. The man you married for me does not recognize me as his wife. What, sir? Cletus, would you talk to your brother's wife?
Okay, now.
Go on.
So what you gonna tell me when you go by, man?
Cletus! The balloon girl, that's what you are.
I do.
That's my brother, what are you doing? Mama, what's happening?
I said, I married this lady for you.
What's the problem?
She's going because of your stupid attitude and that of your useless brother.
My brother, I beg you. No problem with the matter. If you want to go, go. You're not concerned me.
So you people want to kill me in this house?
So, no problem with the matter. If you want to go. I want to buy him. Where you go, bring him. You tell me.
He said if I want to go, let me go. Let me carry my box and go. Mama, so you people want to kill me in this house? You want me to die, yeah? Hey, I will come. No, go.
Mama, you reduced me to nothing. How can you beg this elephant not to go? If you want to go, let her go, man.
Let me go. Let me go. You see, I've been sleeping.
I'm a box you back, man.
Let me go. Let me
box me, man. You blind me, I'm gonna blind. Say bad it.
Useless man. All my money is in this house. I've been cooking for everybody in this house to be eating. I'm not finishing eating my money. He still doesn't want to marry me. Let me go back to my father's house and get married. Useless man. You think your own son wants to marry me?
Mama, stop that.
He's the only one
I'm a kid, man.
I'll get him that house.
Let her go. What's wrong with you?
How much you buy?
If I need women, 100 I can get it.
That's where you.
I'm a sweet guy, man.
Would you want to die?
Say my swat.
I will die, yo.
What's wrong with you?
Let's come,
Thank you,
kill me.
How much you buy?
Go.
I'll be paying back. How much you buy?
Let's go. Let's come. Would you die, yo? Let's
Make I pay you back, man, for balance sheet.
useless children.
So, you want to go marry? You go wear yourself a skirt first. Begin to find this thing. See, choice of women are from heart in the day. If you see women when they're my heart, you know if you believe them.
Okay, go and marry the one you want. Wait. Go and marry who you want. Then you put to. Hey! This is my happiness. This is of my joy. Let it go away.
But you don't want you now, you're for my.
Let it come. No, that's come. Wait.
She there, go. Will you want to quiet? Going on over. We there, man. Huh? She no go never. Kajeta. At this your age, you still live this kind of life. Eh? The life you started when you were young, even before you traveled abroad. How do I make fun over that? You talk. Who is talking, man? Who
is talking? Who is talking? No, bad is talking. Who is talking?
I don't even believe that you are mentally balanced.
Damn motherfucker. How dare you? How dare you, primitive idiot? Call me a madman. All right, I'm going to show you that I'm really mad. I'm really mad. Hey, come here, stop. Stop. Come here. Man, I look at you as nothing but a cockroach. I'm sorry. You're nothing but a cockroach. If not that you're a cockroach, I would have blown your damn motherfucker. I'm sorry. But I am, man.
Kaji, I'm sorry.
Just like a cockroach. You're not up to the people that
I'm sorry, please.
Yeah, come on, stop. Just stand there. Stop there. Move nowhere. Just stand there. I'm going to blow your damn motherfucking head.
I'm sorry, Kaji.
Asshole!
I'm sorry, please.
Come here. You know why I just want to let it go? Because you're nothing but a cockroach. You're nothing but a cockroach.
I'm sorry.
You're not up to the people I handle. Asshole! Motherfucker! Idiot! That's what you are, primitive.
I'm sorry, Kaji.
Poverty!
Kaji, I'm sorry, please.
Now, get out of this compound immediately with this your godforsaken motherfucking bicycle. Get out! Butcher, man! Nollywood man! Butcher here! Butcher, man! Motherfucker, that's what you are! Asshole! Damn! Look at this fool! Man, a whole lot of shit is happening in this village. Man, I'm gonna tell you, everybody in this village, I'm a bad guy. Can't you tell this? Nobody fuck with me. But man, anybody that fuck with me, I'm gonna blow the damn motherfucking heads off. Bullshit. Then look at this idiot calling me a madman. Damn.
Please. I love you. From inside me and inside my heart. Biko, please, love me back. Any word where I tell you, I mean them. When I come back, I love you. Biko, give me a small chance. Make a proof say I be man for where you there. Even we go back, we say no, you ain't get it. Please, Biko, come on, Yama. Biko.
You sure?
I'm sure.
You sure?
Yay!
Because I know right make person right give me.
If I lie, I'll see boom.
Eh.
Hi. You know this way to say boom.
Okay.
Wait. Thank you. Thank you. Where are you going?
I go see my friend.
Your friend?
I'll see you later.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh, wait.
Let me where we go. What's happen? You don't fetch water. So you don't even go message.
What do you consider if I go fetch water? What is the bad?
I mean, where you want to carry the water go? Because since we are all of us there now, we never see you fetch water.
You don't see him now. I beg, they busy, I beg.
Where you carry the water go?
You don't say when I begin build church. I never contributed anything. I said, make I take this water as my own contribution for the church house when they build.
Hey, nothing way bad, no go. Wow. I call him go again. If he say as you be for this thing we carry. You better see for yourself. Hey, like Bule.
What do they worry now?
Let I ask you. This place where you dey waka go. That's the road to church.
No. Make we reason like
no,
that.
ask him again.
I beg.
Now the road to church.
Now you they see road for me. Now you they choose road for me.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Hey, no waka. No waka. So now.
What is that go here?
Na Rose house they carry this water go.
Wow. No.
You don't come rehearsal. Today the rehearsal.
I may come, I may not.
You may come, you may not. You may come.
You don't say we get show next tomorrow. We get show.
If we no pay that, if that man come for him money, if we no go that show.
Now you go home now.
Now you go hold on.
You can wait.
You see as he dey for this like mumu. Akwe wake. Wake.
Wow. Don't they fetch water for woman? Wow.
No underestimate the power of a woman, no.
Hey. Sempe for
woman.
About for now. Wow.
Okwa ni shaja ko yan.
Oko isi ajai.
Hi.
You carry no matter.
Na ko ru ngo gele. Idi egwu da.
Bad.
Hey.
Mommy, is it full?
I never full. I remain like 2 or 3 times. In fact, 4 times.
Alright.
Before I go bring the one, I go there inside this one. I'll keep on.
Alright.
I'll soon finish.
Cletus!
Hey.
What are you doing here?
I'll go now.
Huh?
Myla. No. I learned the mess of my can finish.
Is it only my house that you see in this village? Also, I'm careful, no, but Rapunanya, I want me to be Cletus.
Mommy, Ginny put me by her. I love her.
Hi!
I go. Go draw money. I don't flam. Kutenk and double. I don't flam. Instead, make I break this in quickly so that I go pack the cloth where they won't wash. Can I go live? Go wash them.
Hi!
I love not get eye. Eh? We love each other.
Hello.
Tell her make him pack the cloth ready so that when I won't finish.
Thank you for loving me.
Baby, thank me.
And thank you for all your kindness.
Person when I love person now, so anything way I'll feel do anything because of you.
Hey. Thank you.
And this is what I do just now. This firewood and whatever I got also. That's nothing. If you get another work, give me a good do them. I will tell you say the love I get for you too much.
Yeah.
Not to tell you I'm a heart beat. May you help me the talk to your mother. May know the best.
Okay.
See me the best.
I will talk to him. Thank you. Oh.
You love me too, Abby.
I love you. Waiting. Why you dey look back?
You love me?
I love you now. Waiting. Now this one. I go kiss him now. Never late. Oh, he never late.
This will not go with that.
Never late. I'll kiss him
Okay. Thank you very much. I go cook.
Yeah? I go cook, yeah? You go chop?
Once you do finish, I'll come back.
Okay.
Come chop. Go.
Okay. Thank you, yeah?
I'm going to chop this side. Hi!
The reason why we say I want talk this thing, what I want talk now, for the good of this group. And what I want talk with this. Make we look for a way to take salvage this group, come out from the hand of Cletus. Because if we continue make Cletus the leader of this group already done spoil. And when I see the group done the fall. Cletus not they take this work again a work seriously. You know they come Brieza. Make we look for some way in picture. Elect new leader. Here am I. Send me. I go agree. Make me the leader of the group. Again a group. I no mind.
Waiting, she don't talk. Makes sense, so.
No, about
just insensible. Not say you know good. But the truth be say, this group money for 1 year now, they Cletus hand. How you be say one in picture? What about our money? What thing go come happen?
See, Obaino, when they sleep, when I don't know say Cletus is everything for this group. Him alone na leader, chief vocalist, founder, everything. I'm not gonna talk like that. The thing where we supposed reason be say, how we go manage meter? Go ask her why they come rehearsal. I know be not this nonsense way on a day they yan or pataye. I know it no make sense. So
you see that word where Igbo man call coward? It was manufactured for people like you, and it just fit you like better boxers. Seriously. All this one way they talk now because you no get responsibility, idiot. Now you be so.
She don't do it, be animal. Look at this fool, oh. So I don't get responsibility. What if your responsibility you will get?
And you be domestic.
Not be because this idiot, oh. Not because say your man who don't land you and plan marriage. That's why you talk no rubbish.
And your own na boyhood, idiot.
This guy an animal. I go make this guy. I don't like him. Which guy to what if you want to have I said chair. Now I'm not looking at this fool when they call me, say I don't get responsibility. Chill a bag! What's if you don't see yourself?
Okay, na quarter now. As been an quarter. Now go take settle on.
Don't they change my dad?
See, this group is collapsing, you know.
Make it collapse, I don't send.
If
it won't collapse, make it collapse, I don't send again. I don't send.
So you don't send.
I don't talk am.
You don't send.
I go pull out, come out for this group.
I know say, I don't talk am. I don't talk am.
You see me?
I beg.
I no go there part of any sinking ship. As I be so, I no be captain. We be say, I must rescue everybody. If the ship sink, I follow sink. I go swim, come out. I go come out for this group, go start another.
I don't talk am. Phone go, we be animal. I don't say
all of the ginger now. Nobody the ginger pass me, oh. When we go start now, nobody, oh.
When rain don't even rain finish, your own won't go start. You the ginger, not be only ginger, you be na garlic and fresh pepper, idiot. Now this thing, the banja where they follow you, now they always they push you to the boss person head, boss drum, so that you go there nearer to sell. Don't worry. If you say you go sell, I'll come back.
Leave the animal. If you want to see that, come on. Come on here.
So
I go make this guy one day.
No.
Go buy. Like you, what can you allow my man? I go beat this guy one day.
Don't come free. They look for who go kill him.
The guy won't spoil the group.
Man, this is my baby, man. I feel good. I feel so good. Lady, I rely on shining love, and I love you. You have made me what I am, and I'm yours. My love. There's so many ways I want to say I love you. Let me hold in my hands for every moment. That's my baby, man. You have come and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love. I'm a MAGA, man. I'm a MAGA. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I always believe in me. Don't you believe in my song? Man, when I remember New York City, man, I boy hard in New York City. Man, I boy hard in New York City. I boy hard in New York City, man. I know you, little brother, how you doing, man? Man, you stinking, man. What's wrong with you, man? You better go and shower up. Well, man, you're stinking, man. What's wrong with you?
I'm dying.
What's the problem?
It's a long story.
How well?
Even if I tell you, you no go feel understand. Just leave me alone. I want to rest.
Call it short, I can't understand.
Even if I tell you, now you know if you understand.
I will understand you. What's the problem?
I need some rest.
You know what? I wasn't thinking about Sam. You know, Jethro is my nigga, you understand? So I'm even thinking about calling him, telling him that I want my younger brother to, you know, put in the organic into his music. You know, he won't be organic, man. He won't be organic at the music, you understand? He can work out. He can modernize it. I'm talking about Jethro. He's my homie, man. He's out to America, man. He's my homie. Can you get it? Can't you feel me? Can't you understand your bullshit or what?
It's about America.
Man, take me serious when I'm talking. What's wrong with you? Walking out on me or what? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fuck you. Look at this idiot. I just want to help you, don't? You have come and made me such a fool. I am so lost in your... I'm a MAGA, man. I'm a damn motherfucking MAGA, man. I want to be a MAGA like Cletus that is going crazy for a damn motherfucking beach. But I'm not going to be there because I'm a bad guy. I feel good.
Die training get that. We are mad na gota. Na ka uta lu guy. Why you cry now? Why you dey cry? Wetin happen now? You be small pikin, my friend. Wetin happen? Why they cry?
Chigozie, your friend excuse me.
Chigozie?
Yes, Chigozie, your friend.
As in Shidodo?
Yes.
Wetin happen?
He wore masquerade and flogged me.
Shidodo, wear masquerade, flog you.
Yes!
How you take no sense?
Oh, my mama was on here. He comes here all the time. I know him very well. I know him.
So Shidodo wear masquerade, enter masquerade, flog my own sister. Onto it now. No, make you check and balance am now. Onto, as in, Shebi when I don't see now, when I go start now, you go be say, Obi I don't start oh. Shebi when I go start now, Shebi today. No, Shidodo. You go back today. No, they cry.
I can't talk to him, go and warn him.
No, now okay, now because of Shidodo, they cry.
No, honey, leave me alone.
No, they cry. No, anybody who hear am now, you go say now because of Shidodo, now they cry. And me, I did. As me, I hear the talk so, Shidodo go humble. Voila. For inside Matthias, so imagine this guy. This guy go beat my sister.
I be here, mo. I say he meant this sister.
You beat him?
Wait.
Nah, you go inside masquerade, beat my sister.
Meant the sister, ba?
Wait be your sister. I be masquerade.
On to waiting now.
I be masquerade.
Wait.
Shut up first. You losing my sister?
Huh? You losing my sister?
I don't know.
Okay, why you beat him? Guy, see this guy go wear masquerade, beat my sister. On to waiting now. No.
Your sister face, you know, you should where. I don't know. Okay, even if it be your sister, if it be said the face mix, it can't be your sister. Now, no be your sister. His sister, they owe me money. He chop my money, no agree deliver.
My sister chop your money?
Yes.
My sister beg you to give her money?
Wait. Your sister, they chop, you no agree deliver.
Okay, wait.
That will not be question, No, the vex.
I want to ask him now.
No, wait. Come, how your money manage enter his sister hand?
Talk now.
I give him. You no agree, Jaye?
But see what this guy dey now. Say tell my sister make it Jaye. Na by force.
No.
See, you know if you can this way they do not get strength.
That way one place.
No.
Leave him. I know in kind. I know in type. He dey like palm wine. Now so fresh palm wine where from up. Where we say if you pour by force enter cup. He go after he go calm down. Leave him.
Wait, come.
Leave him. Nonsense.
Wait.
He go fit challenge me.
Wait.
For why? Is it not because of say
Go back. Shut up. We go beg him. Now we win.
I know the beg person.
Now we win.
I don't beg person. It's person that beg me. I run things not run me.
Come.
I
Oh,
know.
I beg.
You know say no, you don't get straight.
Got me, guy.
No,
we. Which guy is that? We win now.
Yeah, for Begam.
Begam.
Guy, I dey talk to you, guy. Obano, you be guy. You be my guy. Make you no be say woman can't do make with the fight.
Yeah.
Woman.
Which woman? Now my sister. No, specify my beg.
Okay. Your sister no be woman. Fine, make you no come be say your sister will be man. Huh? Do make we fight.
No put me for side.
On behalf of the National Association of Masquerade, I apologize. After all, no be me. Now still masquerade beat your sister.
No, don't do. I want make man beg you.
But you know say you fuck up, bro. I guy you could do that. The guy is pure.
No, don't do.
You F me. See, she don't. I go mend you. I go mend you. No say no get straight. I go mend you.
Your guy don't beg you.
If you see what lecturers are doing with female students, you will not want to go to school, though.
Eh? I'm telling you.
Hey! So now, which one are they see for school with that? That's it, though. What I just told you now is just the tip of it. Sweetheart.
My mom.
Are you happy? Very, very happy. Wash quickly, yeah? So that I will go inside and bring the pots.
Okay. It is in.
It is.
Okay. The blanket where I was at, never that.
Never did. Oh, God, Cletus. You're very hardworking, you know.
Okay, now work. Don't insult me. You don't know clear.
Okay. Bobo Cletus.
Remove Bobo, remove Atus. Just clear.
Okay. Clear.
If you want to call my name, no, they put Atus. Come out all those ones. Come out, Bobo, just clear.
Okay, clear.
You can call me two times. Clear.
Clear. GCKO.
Nobody go tell me all these sexy names. Now she go tell me all this is not going to hear.
Mobomi.
My mom.
Oh, hello. Hello, my bagume, oh.
Mythology. Everything you tell you not lie, yo. What do you whisper you?
Excuse me, please. Odi, where you want go? Yeah, no, make I see you. Okay. My baba, I come here. Clear. Wash and wear, make it clean. Clear.
Unable. I'm not going to get unable.
So you're just shining. University picking. I'm very fine now. Thank you. I know all those boys in the university. I just follow you up and down. Oh, see this Omali Chow Yo-Yo and River like that. Hey, thank you, Mama. Hey, good. I miss you very well.
Now that's why anytime I'm here, I have to rush down to come and see you.
Thank you. You do well. Hey, my friend.
Give all those ones.
That's just a fine.
It's okay. Are you not fine?
I'm a village champion.
Don't worry, very soon you'll join me.
I play.
you said Mama went to see her parents, and from there she will go to Jude's house in Abuja.
If you go there, this house all alone.
You're in this big house all by yourself.
Which big house? I'm just all alone. What now?
So you're just enjoying yourself with Cletus in this big house.
Hey, Biakwa. What will I do now? I'm just sitting him to shave off stress.
But he's loving and caring now.
Please forget that one. Cletus will not get money.
I beg you. Money is not everything. See, money is not everything. But remember now, you know he's a professional musician.
Professional musician? Professional, you say? Hey! Ogene musician, number 1. Oh, when can I go see that? Mary, madam, even name Ogene. Nelapo. Forget about that one. I quit singing Nanechi. Hey,
Nanechi.
Bikono. Please now, please. Don't go tomorrow. Next tomorrow you go.
See, you know you're my friend. I would have loved to. But see, I have quiz Monday morning. So I really have to go.
Let me enjoy you small.
Don't worry. Very soon we'll have our first semester vacation. And I'll be home for you.
Oh, well, please, I feel Benny.
Rosa, my friend. Don't worry, I'll be back soon, eh?
Mama and Papa.
Okay. I'll greet them, eh? I'll greet them. Make sure, try and be more serious with him.
Because can you flend someone that is like Cletus? Can you flend him?
But
he's an old man. I just married him. But you've not blocked any of your boyfriends no more.
Don't worry.
Can I help you? My friend.
Cletus is really taking care of you.
See, I'm wearing this fine, oh.
Don't worry, I'll bring one for you when I'm coming.
And your mama, try.
Cletus, baby. That's what Cletus is doing for you. You're shining now.
Nah, but guys, me, I don't get tired. I'm seriously speaking, I don't get tired. Which kind of thing be this one now? She don't go there where he did. They scatter the Dabaru group. What's in be name? What's in be name? Cletus, go there doing on. They scatter group where all of us they gather.
Make I tell you the coco. You see, she don't matter. That one na yapping dog when no fit bite. Just they back. You don't fit bite anybody. Cletus matter, eh? You know why Cletus they behave like that? Now because of our money where they in hand. Maybe you don't chop her. You know the reason with me?
Cletus, so all of us where they now. So we go just keep quiet. Cletus go chop her. It go fit happen.
Okay, are they here now? What's it happen? Who are your money? Okay, are they here assemble themselves? They do meeting for me. Yeah? Ha! Oh my God! Any woman, they do meeting for me. Yeah? If they do meeting for me, you follow these people. They do meeting for me. How much be una money when they my hand when people don't feel bring out? How much we don't work? How much we talk? Make I tell you something there. If now on our mind, you not to top on me. Just know that any man when they dance, also get a dance. Just know that also get a dance. They won't more. Make I tell you. Go tell your mind, make that thing come out. If I mind to top me for this group, make just come out for your mind quickly. Now me, be the man when bring the firewood, when carry our home, when make lizard come visit me. Now my group, I tell you, all of now. See, as there, don't they go fire one by one.
Bro, see, you see, make we just reason you. You don't understand. This is where you do. You don't do too much. How you be say all of us there? They do group. You they scatter them. She don't know they scatter them the other side.
My group, not our.
Bros, what you want talk now be say, our money where you hold, bring them out, we won't share them.
You go bring them out.
I don't tire.
And the best. I don't like all those bullshit. We don't go share them.
It don't go happen. Napu mother.
We go share them.
Nah, it's not possible.
Go give us our money. Give us our money. You understand? Sit down money. Go bring them out.
Don't touch me.
No, nobody don't touch you, matter.
As old as you are, you carry woman back to Pasmaga for village.
So now our money they use buy pants.
You tonto.
Return that pants.
They use our money to go buy pants.
Return that pants. You may go and go there.
Why go return them?
You may go and go there.
How much you buy them? Now money return it. Our money now use the buy pants.
That's you.
Bros, no waka come out for here. Wait now.
Man,
You
don't feel do anything. I tell you.
Ask him that good there, guy. I don't know what you go happen. You know how they say you carry pants. How much you buy? How much?
Easy now, easy.
I'm taking it easy now. Sorry. But, Cletus, how come these lovers did all these things to you and they did not shoot you?
No fighter, they fight them.
Sorry.
They bring gun.
Hey! Hey! These people are very, very wicked. Oh. They are wicked. Hey. Sorry. Hey, my crew. Sorry. Hey, my Cletus. Oh, my baby. Sorry. Oh, hey, these lovers. They want to kill you for me.
Hey! Is it not better you go and hire God to cover?
To fear what? Sorry. Chelo, oh, ndo. Hey, Chineke me. Sweep, oh. Sorry. It's okay. Sweep, oh. Hey. Oh, these lovers.
No shadow.
These lovers. Small more. Ndo, oh, check.
Blabe, for this village, nobody get them.
You buy me Blackberry.
Now only you get them.
Hey! Cletus, thank you. Oh, thank you, my love.
This one na Genesis.
Hey!
Before you go reach Malachi, you gonna say the love I get for you many.
Hey! Cray, thank you. Thank you, my love.
Don't mention.
Love you, yeah?
Not mention them. Because the very first day when you say yes, that day, I know if you forget that from my mind.
Cray, you're funny.
Am I?
You're very, very funny. Oh. You're very funny.
Yes. I'm not funny. If you see person where funny, they get money where. See, okay, because let's see basket mat. And the other day they call AY. That's why if you see their skin.
So for this village now, get blackberry. Crebo, now blackberry then right for it. But now white be this. Now this is a white belly.
Me I even confused because I'm not saying belly inside.
Hey! Cray, thank you.
They know the one where they put for ear. Anybody when talk bad about you, you go hear them. Anybody when talk nonsense from inside village, any answer.
No, I don't want to get that one. I don't be juju. Hey, Cremo, Cray, thank you. Cray. Thank you. But we get one thing which they bother me. I won't go university. I still won't go.
When again?
University.
Say you.
Meeting be you.
Say you.
You.
Ni. Va. Si.
Si.
Ti.
Ti.
Now you won't go. No worry. I will not answer. We will do them. Huh?
Hi. Blackberry. Hey, pray for me now.
I love you. Amo masaro. Ya no bamo rozume. Rozume. Achano komuwe. Ya tienu bobi. Mama nkemwe. I love you. Amo masaro.
Mama. Rose. Ma. Rose, I want to ask you something. Because I'm no longer comfortable with what I'm seeing. Mama, what is it? What is going on between you and Cletus? Because every day is either he's fetching water, breaking firewoods, or washing your clothes. Tell me, what is it?
Mama, Cletus says he loves me. And he'll do anything for me.
Hey. Is that why he has taken up your chores? What about the phone in your hand? Was he also the one that bought it? Chineke! I didn't even know it's Blackberry.
Mama is a Blackberry. Blackberry. I now use Blackberry.
Oh, day.
I'm not a big girl.
Oh, day. Hey! But my daughter, you have to be careful.
Mama lost me now.
You know, men, in their own dictionary, nothing goes for nothing.
Mama lapo kwawa. Omo abulos. Lost me.
Okay.
All lows.
Okay.
When I go on it, they talk say lapo kwawa.
Okay.
Onwelo. Abu Cletus lapo neba.
Okay.
Yes. Omo abulos. Lows the lows.
Oh, good.
Omo abulos.
Mana Adam wine. Badukwanya.
Mama anyasa.
Badukwanya.
Anyasa.
Make a name.
Mama.
I love this. You call it a love what, man? You guys are enjoying something good, man. It's good, man. I love this shit.
The money where they give me, where they keep for our group. I say I don't finish them. Mama, they give you, and the phone I go buy for my babe. Now she talk about university. I'm not get that kind of money to train them. And you know, you're not in there. You don't hold anything.
God damn it! God damn it! What's wrong with you? You're nothing but a maga. That's what you are. You're nothing but a maga. But you know, you ain't got a problem. You have a big brother, that knows it all. All you need to do, come down. I wisen you up, man. Wisen you up, my little brother.
Okay, please. Make her think. Just keep quiet. Make her think. Because nobody go tell me how to pay my wife university. Nobody go tell me how to train them.
You know, you ain't got nothing upstairs. You're mad. But I tell you something, baby. You got sweet, wonderful, intelligent brother. I can wiser you are if you cool down for me.
Make I tell you, if they pay me, as you come for 15 years, come back, nothing to show for it. No. If they pay me pass, save my brother. I be like person will not get brother now.
Fuck you.
As you come here and meet the feed you, since where you come.
I have homies, man. But you know what? You ain't got nothing upstairs. I'm gonna wisen you up. Now, you have to celebrate this, that you got a big brother. Jeffrey is my nigga. Jeffrey is my homie. Yeah, we run things. Can't you get that? And you're telling me some bullshit. You got a big brother. Man, when I sneeze, New York catches cold. The entire New York catches cold. I'm a bad guy. I'm out of here because you ain't got nothing upstairs. Fuck you, man. Little baby.
See. All this one what we just do. I don't understand on our square root. You see this Kajetan person? Whether Kajetan or Cassetta, I don't know anything as it be. Whether I don't know what thing been they do for America, whether I don't know what it is, whether I had drug powder or dusting powder, that is not my business. My business is he cannot stand in between me and my money. Whether they carry machine gun, submachine gun, if they carry submarine gun or na bomb in they carry, that one is not my business. I'm going to get my money. I go tell them say look at pass international, idiot. Say wait.
Nah, but how you go be say this? Me, I'm confused though. I'm really. We go leave the money like that. What we go do? I be the question.
I dey tired for this group. I won't pull out. Make I look for a way to think for my life. My wife now, if they pregnant, she go soon born. Why my picking go there born? One is not even born inside wedlock. He is born inside futureless ambition. And my picking go just come inherit the futureless ambition of the papa. He can't be futureless like that. Now say it be. As I dey talk now, na small tears roll from my eye. We can't keep this. See. Now my money, I go die put for this money.
Enuma, you don't understand. We go burn this money like that.
For where it go happen? See, make I tell you now, Cletus must provide that money. If you no provide that, Yawa go gas.
We gas.
I dey tell you, you go scatter that guy.
No be only Yawa go gas. Yawa go solid and liquid. Aba, I dey pass. My body dey pay me. Better come now.
Oh my God. What a joke, man. I didn't use square. Let go. But anyhow where you be, one person no go just carry everybody put for pocket.
Little nigga, what's wrong with you? You look worried. Are you so look wise? Man. Yeah, the whole idea seems so. You just behave going up, man. What's wrong with you? You're so look wise and talking to yourself. What's your problem?
These boys will come carry mama goat here. They don't want to give up.
Well, what are you trying to say? They don't want to give up. What?
They will come back.
All right. Do you need protection? Man, talk to me. I am catching in your ear, brother. Nobody fuck with me. I'm asking you, right? Do you need protection?
How?
Damn it! God damn it! Answer my question first. Do you need protection? Which can... Okay, all right. I'm going to give you protection. I'm a bad guy from New York. Nobody fuck with your brother. As far as I'm alive, nobody can fuck with you. I'm going to give you protection.
I'm not going to move.
It's all right.
I'm not going to move.
God damn it. 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 Damn it. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. Mama, how can you accuse me of stealing your 500 naira? For what? Come get out of it. Don't touch me.
It's very stupid. You want to break my drone. You are stupid. Yes, you made away with my money. This type of thing doesn't happen in this house. Right, it's only when you come back.
Sit with me. I'm gonna kick your damn ass. I'm gonna kick your ass. I promise you. I'm gonna kick your damn motherfucking ass.
You can't try it in this house. You're stupid. Oh, Yoshi. You made away with my 500 naira.
Me?
Yes, you.
I'm just respecting you because you're my
mother. You're going nowhere. You made away with my money. Now put it
What kind of rubbish is this? Insult upon insult.
Take your gun, I beg. Take your gun. I don't need protection again. This gun don't put me for trouble.
Cletus.
Come on, give me my gun. Primitive, man. You're nothing but a primitive. You don't know anything.
This one I saw you with gun now. That means people have been robbing people.
Mama, I don't know if you understand. Just leave this. Don't hold on.
Leave Cletus. Insulting me. Insulting me. Telling me that I stole her 500 naira. Just imagine. Oh my God.
My 500 naira in the house.
Okay.
Oh, no. Who stole my money? Who made away with my money? My 500 naira.
Mama. No, look my face. It's such where you keep the money?
It's a lie.
Look at it! Look! Just look at it. How can I go to my mama's breast? This is greater than what you have been doing.
Check your account. I'm going to take your account.
Check it well, man. What's wrong? Check it well.
I'm suspecting you.
Bullshit.
Oh, Yoshi.
Bullshit. You know, you're really insulting. Mama, I've been respecting you because you're my mom. But I'm going to kick your ass if you don't. One year the alarm, man.
Come on, kick my ass. Let me see you. Stupid boy.
Mama, 1 year the alarm, man.
How come I'm here? You should leave me alone.
I think it's 1 year the alarm, man. Give me money, man. 1 year the alarm,
Gajetan, okay, na bofe. You go abroad for 26 years, no achievement. You come back with nothing, you come back there, you come back there, say yeah, man.
Reeve our house. Reeve our house.
No, but that's it. Not be me doing.
I said reeve. Ah. You don't tell me say you the thief. Reeve.
Hey.
Reeve our house. I go shout though. I will call people oh. Reeve.
I'm not different.
You don't want to reeve. You don't want to reeve. Okay.
I don't need that because of Obaino, that idiot, and the other boy. She don't let me put the carry that gun. No be, I don't care for anything. Please, I did not beg you. Please. Wait, Mama. I beg. Let me go. I beg. Hi. Because I don't even gonna give my brother. I know them my body again. You jail with.
You sure?
Hey.
No do am again, no.
Do you wanna bomok?
Stand up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Amen.
Yeah, good day, my neighbors. I love you guys, man. Yeah, man. Good day, my neighbors. Good day, my neighbors, man. That's cool, man. Right. Yeah, good day, my neighbors. That's my good neighbors, man. Rugged motherfuckers, man. Hey, man, shit.
Nah, good day, my neighbor. Guy. Hey. What's
wrong with you guys? What's wrong with you guys? I'm not getting what's wrong with you guys? I'm man.
Guy.
Man, I'm a bad guy. Don't do shit with me. See, you want to fuck with me?
Shut up.
Come on.
If I ever hear fuck from you again, from this mouth, okay. Reduce where if you can boost here.
Oh, by no. Can't go on this man, Jim Manu. Ah,
with you guys.
You know good enough. I know.
All right, dude.
Come on, crew for there.
You not get it there.
Okay, dude.
Hey.
You know what I'm doing?
What are doing?
Do you know who I am? Now, do you know who I am? Now, you're putting your hand in the lion den.
Wait. You're a den of lion or den of pussycat?
Yeah, man.
Are you a lion or a pussycat?
You know good enough. I know.
I know. All right, I'm a bad guy from New York. Nobody fuck with me. Not in this village.
No goes on and reduce our fog. I'm
gonna tell you who I am, right?
When we are waiting.
I'm gonna tell you who I am right now. All right. You get what you
You for Kuku bring shell dogs, the fleet person. No be this made in New York.
I'm a bad guy from New York.
We bad guy.
I'm gonna blow your damn motherfucking head off right now.
You they carry the show person for my friend go idiot. You know the shame. They wear swimming trunk for head. Part of it looks like pants.
No move.
Siam, can you imagine? You know the shame. You pay transport, give pants for plane. Huh? You know the shame.
Guy, move.
Why the hell? He wear green pants for him. Come on, carry on, go.
Man, which power? I know what I can do, man. I don't want to use it, man. Treat your own life, brother.
Shut up.
I'm your brother, man. I'm your brother, man.
Kneel down.
All right, so Cletus, my brother. I'm the cheapest motherfucker. Get down.
Get down, man.
Right down also.
Get down. Hands up. Hands up. Wait, leave her. Make her treat him for her. Hands up.
That's good.
At your age, you can stay in America. And stay. I don't know which part of America you go stay.
Now close your eyes.
One naira.
Cletus will send you guys.
Close your eyes first. Run, man. Flat.
You want me to fly?
Flat, man. Come on. Lie down flat. Kneel down, man.
Guy, climb on top of this man.
Oh, yeah, lie down.
Come on, run also. Fucking ground, man. Man, I need. Man.
I want to sit down here where
Pray for us.
Pray for us.
No, I don't know how to pray, man. I don't know how to pray, man.
They mad.
You don't know how to pray, man?
Say it will be well with you guys. Say it well.
It'll be well with you guys, man.
Use American tongue to say it.
It's gonna be well with you guys, man.
Yeah.
Say we are going to prosper.
It's gonna, man.
Shit.
Say we are going to prosper.
Shit.
Say we will prosper. Sit down on top of this man.
Man.
Now we are going to do what?
You're gonna prosper, man.
Say it again, 3 times.
You're gonna prosper, man. You're gonna prosper, man.
No, wait.
You're gonna prosper, man.
Wait. You see those yeah, God damn it, why I always they hear you they talk around for this village, so. Now you're going to remix it, give it local flavor. Instead of God damn it, you're going to say, Amadio had damn it.
Amadio had damn it.
It aggress.
Okay, no problem there.
I say, Amadio had damn it.
Amadio had damn it.
Ogugu damn it.
Ogugu damn it.
Ikuku damn it.
Ikuku damn it.
Ogene damn it.
Ogene damn it.
Ogene damn it.
Ogene damn it.
Now say,
damn it.
Holla.
Holla, damn it.
Damn it.
Damn it.
Good.
Yeah, he said, all the care.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want to do with my hair, man?
Zayziki. Put your head.
All right.
Because
Now you gonna see this man.
What do you want to do with my hair, man?
see,
Like that. All the care.
All the care.
desert encroachment. Desert. I don't know how Sahara desert take come enter your head for me. You do, man.
Man, I'm your brother, man. Don't fuck with me like that. Don't fuck. I'm your brother, man. What's up?
If we got nonsense with this.
So Cletus can do this.
No, stop.
See this side as he said.
Motherfuckers.
Like that.
Make a really. Yes. Wait. You are losing hair.
Okay, came away this.
Just read my
Ogene never die. Ogene never die. You don't understand. Mere Maram.
Cletus, give me my goats. Give me back my goats.
See, those boys when carry that goat, God will punish them. I know that the one that can do me bad. Now me, I go show them. Say I come out for this world before them.
Shut up. It is you that I'm suspecting. Yes, you made away with my goats. You think I don't know?
It should not be the mom. And the verse said that goat, those goats lost. Mommy knows I love you. I know if you make your goat.
Shut up again, I love.
Okay, just leave me. Let me go and see if I can bring anyone come back. Because
I should leave you. I'm leaving you just because of God. Go out there and get those goats. What is your problem? Huh? Don't come back without those goats, oh. Don't ever try to come back, oh. You love me. Can you do love for love one thing? You cannot do anything reasonable in this house. Hey! I wish my husband is alive. To witness what you people are doing to me. Hey! Make it the chillaja na ka go lu no ho eh. Make it the chillaja na ho go lu no ho. Chineke adima go pa lu no mana. Go to and come back. I'm sitting here to be waiting. I can never leave this place until you come back with my goods. Can you do heavy haircut because no joy in the house, nothing.
nothing. No, enter inside. No.
No. Listen, my mama said they sleep down. What is it?
Nah, let me. All this enemy they pursue me.
Where then they?
You see this albino? This albino they tell you all the time.
What's happened?
You saw albino? And then no with Shidodo. Now they won't kill me so.
You think say I never hear what's happened? I've heard everything. Albino don't tell me everything. I tell me everything.
What's not again? What did I tell you?
Albino have told me everything. No worry.
No, tell me what didn't tell you.
Nothing. It's better you go and settle with them. After all, they're your good people.
How can me go settle with them?
They're your good people. I even hear say they carry your mama 5 goats and they're even planning to do worse. Go and settle with them.
They're not going to do past the one way they don't do before. They're not going to do anything.
Okay.
But forget about it. Don't fire them. Forget about them.
I have tell you my own. If you like, settle. If you like, no settle. I have tell you my own.
Don't fire them. Okay. They hear me, sir? Okay. Now, me and you there. Maybe we'll talk the one way concern us more.
Go and settle with them.
Not be anything. Come here, we'll go fetch the water.
Read my bucket, river. Read it. Read my bucket now.
No go.
Leave it, go. It's very, very early. It's too early now. My mama is still sleeping inside. She's sleeping. Go, it's too early. You don't have any job. Are you jobless? Every morning you come to my house. Go. I said go now. Don't let me wake finish. Just come to my house this early. Jobless now.
Everything, all this biting and biting, when bite for night, me I take as mosquito. So, man, I forgive and forget.
Cletus, where our money?
My man, they tell me, say, me will say the goat. The money, any money we will say come up for that goat, we take and replace them. The goat I see our own, maybe.
Please stand up first. You go first. You go daughter. What can our man? What can senior? Heavy low. Guy, me. Clear, stand up.
Clear, we don't forgive you. We don't forgive you, sir.
Hey. Who tell you make you stand up?
Now we know.
Huh? Who tell you make you stand up? All of us join mouth. Tell you, make you kneel down. You can't stand up or only one person order. Or you won't hijack the group. Now you won't be leader. Be waiting. Who say waiting? Huh?
We talk on our behalf now.
Be waiting. Now you won't be leader, I know.
Relax. Relax now, man. Now make you forgive him. Relax.
Waiting. We put them to vote.
Make I yarn you the cocoa. The cocoa we say, as it be so now, we don't reason them together. Say before you go join this group again, you go bring us 2 kegs of palm wine and 1 packet of benzene.
Fresh palm wine.
Else, also Abila shall be your casket.
That will not be anything. I've been giving us something before. Not be me from this thing. I want to give us something before this one can happen. Yeah? That will not be anything. When we start again, I got to bring business. I'll give you another one. Not mean anything. That will not mean anything.
Cletus, Abeg, just give me 1 minute. May I ask you one very sensitive question? Convince me and convince this general panel. Say, you never graced before. Convince me, say you know before my grace, man. You the grace? Huh? We dey talk of way forward, you dey talk of another thing. I be not tell you now, I don't talk am again. I don't put water for my talk. I don't put water for my talk. I say make una not bring this ape. Come here again. Man, I expel him. Make another person take over this.
Relax. You don't relax. I said chill.
I be not tell you, man, I don't bring this ape. Come our group.
Now our man, make you free him. Relax. Apologize, man. You don't free him.
I don't talk to me, they not bring.
And they go first. You know, because of this, this one. Tell me why Tonto not go fire you. You all tell me one reason why I say if I still Tonto fire you now when Tonto not go come. I just now because of these people say they don't forgive me. This now me bring for the I'll go come out you from this group.
You not get that kind of power.
I not remove you from here.
Waiting you smoke.
Where you smoke?
Obaino. Relax. Obaino.
Relax now. Relax.
Make it rotate about.
Obaino. Obaino.
Relax.
Can you imagine? I'll go parade you from John for here.
Man, come up for here. Man, come up for here first.
You smoke? You forget say that kneel down, you been kneel down before.
Now, I better give orders, not you.
Walai.
So final now.
Boy to go in again.
Now one let me go. Wait till I am. Wow. You don't take all of them. You're a bastard. Yeah.
I'm really happy for you. Now that your results came out good.
Yes, so me, I now have hope of entering the university.
Yes.
Hi!
That's nice. University, here you come.
Loza. Hey!
That's nice. I'm really happy for you. That reminds me. When is Unical doing their screening test?
Oh, next Thursday.
Thursday. That's 18th? Okay. Don't worry, my friend. I'm sure you will make it this time.
Here! And Ekuroku. In Ekuku also. Let me go me already. I don't make calm. I don't make calm. No worry. After Thursday, I'm begging her for.
Rosa, my friend. That's good. Come on. I've not seen your lover boy Cletus. Is he out of town or what?
No, not really. Make her say he travel, he go outside show with him group. You know now, village musician.
I can see you're really missing him.
Which kind of talk won't be that one again now?
What? Was I wrong? I wasn't now.
You always say it out.
You're my friend now. I can tell you something when I notice.
Missing him. I don't know if I'm missing him. Because one Melinda. Celebrate with your friend. Celebrate with me.
This is celebrate.
It's not easy.
You're supposed to bring wine, no, not
I'm saying Rapoko. Njocha on Thursday. Mbezi agina for. Mbutezi agi wine. Like it's okay.
Okay.
If for school hour, I ain't got wire.
Okay. But take it easy.
Alone.
Take it easy.
Let's go, man.
Good afternoon, sir.
Loving talk you. Damn, pretty girl. Hi.
I said good afternoon, sir.
Hey, good afternoon, pretty girl. How you doing, man?
I'm fine.
Angel.
Is Cletus at home?
Cletus? Yes, no. Yes. No.
Okay. When he returns, tell him that Loza came to look for him.
You said Loza or Rosa? I don't understand.
Loz is Loza.
Loza? No, it should be Rose, man.
Loza.
All right, Rose, can I, have a minute talk with you? Can you just sit so that we can chat for a minute, baby?
Why?
I want to chat with you. You're a pretty girl.
Sorry.
Pretty girl. She's like a local girl, man. But she's pretty, man. Damn pretty girl. But I'm going to get this girl. This girl's not made for this motherfucker, man. Damn. Man, this is good. Good girl.
My Rob, I finally made it. My Rob, see, my admission letter. I finally made it. Finally made it to the University of Calabar.
Good, thank you very much.
My Rob, I'm just coming from your house. I saw your brother. I told him to tell you that Loza came to visit you.
Put on outside. Okay. Hi.
I'm now an undergraduate of University of Calabar. Waiting now. Are you not happy? Are you not happy for me? Are you not happy for me?
I'm not going to see you again now.
Is it that one?
Calabar.
No fun now. Distance cannot be a barrier between me and you. I will be coming every weekend to see you.
You promise me?
Hey, I promise you. But I can't see you.
Say they come visit me. You marry me?
I wish to marry you. I wish to marry you.
Yeah. You marry me? No, go for house. No, go down like husband and wife.
No. You never leash. Never leash. Besides, I'm on my menstrual period. Or do you want to do with a woman that's in a menstrual period?
Okay, that's it.
Meanwhile, let me finish with my legislation. Then we'll do it.
Yeah. Okay.
My Rob.
It's more than 4 plots.
But I don't think it's up to 4 plots.
He passed. I just call a 4 plot. Maybe not say I go tell you something. Maybe say you say no go fee buy.
Well, it's okay. I like the land. It's okay. You said it's 300,000.
3.
Okay. I'll pay 200.
Ibiakwa. You know what will happen? Add 8. I will do 8.
Well, like I told you, I have no intention of buying any land. I decided to buy it because of what you told me. So that's why I want to get it.
No, but it's 50-50. You don't go add anything?
That's what I can pay for now.
200. So bad though, no problem. Since you know what make a game money like you, no problem.
Come to my house tomorrow and pick up the man, okay?
Huh? Your house what? I told you now, today you go pay me that. That's something tomorrow. Your house?
Yes.
Now I'm with the buy na land though.
Tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Mada through here.
What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? I said, what's wrong with him? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? You're an idiot. You don't know that I'm your elder brother? You don't know that? You don't know who I am.
No. This rice and I'm going to keep on for you. No go eat. Yes.
You are the most wicked idiot I've ever set my eyes on. Look at you. Just look at you. Because of ordinary rice, you're fucking me up. You know that I don't eat any kind of food. That this is my best food. And you're denying me that.
Sunday Galaga. Last Sunday. You finish every food one day here. Monday I go training. Because I go get a training. You finish every food one day in this house. This one I'm get up. You don't fit up. You don't chop up. Alright. I keep up for my man.
Cletus me? Alright. I tell you something. I'm gonna tell you something right now. Henceforth, you cease to be my brother. Because yes! And I'm gonna kill you.
What are you doing with my pot? Huh?
Look at this man. Food working for you. The other day one, he chop and finish. The other one, he walk around. I just said my mama won't chop this food. That's it.
Mama, you know me.
You are a big fool. Stupid man. Bad, badam, badam, shut up, don't talk when I'm talking. Look at you. Open your sense. All this time you came back from Obodo. Can't you listen to yourself for once? Can't you reason like a human being? Look at Dikeh, you worry about your brain. So you don't want me to eat? You want me to die for you people? So I should not eat. You don't want me to eat.
So you're doing this to me?
Shut up, and
you call yourself your my mother? No problem.
Also, give me a man 91 and gonna so.
But I tell you something, nobody will stop me. I'm going to take Cletus that he's nobody. That rice, I'm going to eat it.
Can you hear from?
Mama, I'm going to fuck you. Mama, just stand up here. Mama, let me. Mama, I'm going to play you. I'm going to play you. You're doing this to me. Mama, you're doing this to me. Damn, Mama. Damn, Mama. Mama.
Idiot.
Look at this balloon, man. You're nothing but a balloon, man. Balloon, mama. Balloon, mama, that's what you are. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck all of you, man. Fuck both of you. You beat up. So no go on. Go press it.
What's it? Ekwensu. Nga kwa hulu no sile ke pa hu na bo.